There's no point merging because you could see everything and you can check the mirror here because it's already merged. You already entered where it was already one lane. You shouldn't even merge because you indicate left, forgot to merge. So you can't afford to forget to merge. Mirror, about now, blind spot, follow up, check in the mirror, no one there, good. There's a pretty tricky, potentially tricky scenario here. If the assessor asks you to turn left, so let's turn left on the first street on the left.
This one right there.
Yeah. So you shouldn't even merge because you indicate left, because within this space to indicate right and merge and then immediately to indicate left, you would confuse everyone around you. Watch the curb on the left, you're too close. Okay. Continue straight on. But see, you forgot to merge. So you forgot to merge. So you can't afford to forget to merge. If two drivers don't recognise it's merging, it's a problem. Often people know how to merge properly, but often so many fail for not intercepting where it is, So you've got to see what's happening. So as soon as you get across, indicate right, leave it on for a while, keep picking up speed, it's the 60 zone. Mirror, about now, blind spot, follow up, check in the mirror, no one there, good. See, had we continued straight, it would have been a merge up there. As we turn, obviously we're going to have a no green arrow further forward. Make sure the white Corolla clears first. Now, so there's no point merging because you could see everything and you can check the mirror here because it's already merged. You already entered where it was already one lane. There was no point indicating. Now, if the assessor says turn left, again, you wouldn't merge, indicate left, but do check the mirror and see what's happening there. So there was no point merging and then within 2 meters indicating left. That would be a lot of work for nothing really, and sometimes people stop and freeze there, turn right up here. See, there's a car there. I don't believe this one's recognising what's happening, okay? Look over your shoulder now. See, if two drivers don't understand what's happening, you could, swipe each other in. If it's a high speed, one of you might lose control.